Hi Libra, welcome to my channel. We're doing your weekly love reading. Before we start, there's just a picture over here or some kind of video sharing you guys what a cake that I made. It's just a sharing something. Okay, that because this is not a full-time thing that I do. Other things that I do also. There are other stuff. Before you purchase any sort of reading, please do check the member site because the members do get discounts on different readings. Okay, so it changes every time. Same time, every Sunday, we do have a raffle of free readings. 5 members will be chosen. Okay, so there's still, it's gonna be uploaded today, I think. Whatever day it is today, Thursday or Friday. I think Friday. Okay, so there's time to join so that you can join the raffle this Sunday. So do join now. Thank you very much for donating to the GoFundMe, and that is why I am doing June readings as fast as I can so I can reach you guys, Libras. Alright, so thank you very much, Libra. Libra, this is gonna be for you and the other person. Let me see what's going on between you and the other person. Libra. Okay, ooh. Someone, let me see. Okay. Other person. This lover card keep coming out. Okay, I'm not sure where Venus is as far as relationship is concerned. Okay. So, I'm seeing here for the Libra, some people are traveling. Some people are waiting to travel. Okay, I think this is like a summer vacation, somewhere in an island. Parties over here. You have your 6 of Wands. Okay. Someone also can be going through some divorce or something that, you can be quitting on something and starting something new or being removed from you. This is like clearing of past karma, past relationship is being gone. There were a moment in your life that you thought you can't, but now the universe is saying, it's like, yes, you can. There's a Libra over here who feels trapped with regards to their partner. Okay, because the Lovers is here underneath the 8 of Swords. However, you have here a new opportunity with regards to career, or there was some sort of financial gain that I'm seeing also. You guys can be connected with an earth sign. I don't know why I said air sign. But you can be connected with an earth sign. An earth sign wants to have a date with you. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, they're asking you out. I'm seeing here you're being patient about your work. Some people are like that. There's also a person here who's holding back on their emotion. They're excited about a trip with their partner. Babies are involved. A family trip I'm seeing here. You're holding on to your excitement. I'm not sure why. Other Libras I'm seeing here is okay. There's a level of you want some quiet time. That's why you're going away on a trip. There is also an opportunity for someone to make money abroad or like out overseas. Lover's card over here is showing can be, yes, it's what they're saying is like disciplining something. There's something that needs to be disciplined. Maybe too much excess of a party, that's why you feel towards your partner, and that's why you felt like they're always the one who's having fun and not you, or you're not even a partner, but the one you're dating is just too much out there. Can be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sag. You're always waiting for them to come back home, okay? Or you can be waiting for that Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Someone here is also moving out, moving a different direction because they don't like how the person is. You're waiting for something to come to fruition patiently, meaning you're waiting for this. Some people are going through, needed some visa, some sort of appointment with a consul. Seeing here a lot of things that has been put in your thoughts that is in front of you, but you can't see through it. Communication, miscommunication with regards to your partner or whoever you're talking to. I'm seeing there are people who are with you, friends who are accompanying you, whoever's going through this divorce. They're always around you, but yet you feel you're alone. Someone is here guiding you. I think this is some sort of a guide, meaning spirit guide. Can be a person who has passed away already, an air sign that is with you right now, Libra. there is an immature energy that is about you have a doubt with your partner that they might be seeing someone who is a younger vibration. That's what I am seeing here so far. Okay, so Libra, thank you very much for watching. If you guys book a reading, it's just the link down there if you want to book a reading. And if you guys booked, I will see you in your appointment. I will see you guys. Bye.